If you've ever wanted to make a long Google Drive link look cleaner, easier to share, and much more professional, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to shrink a Google Drive link in just a few simple steps. This is perfect for sharing in emails, text messages, social media bios, documents, and anywhere you want a shorter, neater link. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your file in Google Drive. This can be any file you want to share, whether it's a document, a PDF, a spreadsheet, or a folder link. Once you've found the file, click the Get Link option. Then copy the full link that Google Drive generates for you. This is the original link that we're going to shorten. Now that you have your Google Drive link copied, go to a link shortener tool like Bitly. There are a few options out there, but the process is generally the same. Once the site loads, look for the field where you can paste a link. Click into that box and paste your Google Drive URL. After you paste the link, click the Shorten button. The tool will process your long Google Drive URL and create a much shorter version that's easier to share and looks a lot cleaner. Depending on the platform you use, you may also be able to customize the ending of the link, which can make it even easier to remember or brand for your audience. Once the shortened link is ready, simply copy the new short link. You can now paste it wherever you need it, whether that's in a message, a post, a caption, or even on a flyer or presentation. Instead of a long and messy Google Drive URL, you now have a compact link that's much more user-friendly. One important thing to keep in mind is that shortening a link does not change the permissions on the file itself. So if the person you send it to can't access the file, you'll still need to make sure the sharing settings in Google Drive are set correctly. If needed, go back to your file, open the sharing settings, and make sure it's available to the right people. And that's it. You've successfully shrunk a Google Drive link in just a few easy steps. A small trick like this can save time, improve how your links look, and make sharing files much simpler. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.